Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add effects in Davinci Resolve. So here you can see that I added a clip. So once you add it, you simply need to go on to the effects, and here you can see different effects. So I'm going to add this effect, for example, to see how it play. So here you can see that onto the video. I added a effect of CCTV. Here you can see. And if you want to make some editing in the effect, you simply need to go onto the inspector and you can change the scaling, saturation, noise size. So it is up to you, noise strength. So you can play around. So let's suppose add another effect here. Let me remove this. Go onto the media pool and let me select the video clip from my PC. So go on to the import media. So let me import this clip. Add that onto the timeline. Go on to the cut. So here you can see. Add that onto the timeline. So now I'm going to add another effect. Go on to the effects tab. Add binocular. So here you can see that, and you can play around with the effect here like this by adjusting these things. So this is a process how you can add effects in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.